Good morning, guys. Let's say to the what's up, you guys. Let's go to explore what you guys been doing. Think for question. Anything say? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So talk to you guys.
So right now, you guys, I'm heading home. So talk to you guys. I am just heading to Rachel. Had a doctor like right up the hospital to check up Silas' breathing. So I just dropped her off, and it is freezing ice rain. So let's what's going on, you guys. So talk to you guys when I. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I am drop Rachel off at home. I'm gonna do some shopping. It is still ice, freezing ice. It's kind of yucky outside, but it's okay. I'm doing some shopping, so talk to you guys then. Silas is on the moose, you guys.
What do you think, Grace?
What do you think? Is it funny?
Okay, he's. Yeah, you can't take the remote. It's attached to the couch.
You're having some chicken stir fry with onion garlic sauce that Rachel.
Silas is doing tummy time. Are you doing tummy time, Grace? And Silas is doing his tummy time.
Well, he's on his back right now.
Yeah, back for now, and then he's gonna turn on to his tummy.
Again, whack it. He whacked that so hard it like startled him. Do it. Yeah, good job, buddy.
So I hope you guys show us subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.